Adventure activities are experiences that involve excitement, thrill, and adrenal rushes. These activities take individuals out of their comfort zones, allowing them to challenge themselves physically and mentally. Adventure activities are not only fun but can also help individuals develop confidence, build resilience, and increase their sense of accomplishment. They are a great way to escape the monotony of everyday life and explore the world around us in new and exciting ways. Today, we are going to take you on an adventure of a lifetime as we explore the thrill of river rafting in Dandeli. Dandeli, the town, is surrounded by dense forest and the Kali River flows through it. The river is an ideal spot for rafting as it has rapids of different grades that cater to everyone from beginners to experienced rafters. Best time to do river rafting in Dandeli would be any time between October to March. If the water current is more, then the activity could be stopped for that day. So make sure you inquire about the activity with the booking agencies that have buffer of 1 to 2 days. During monsoon season, since the water flow is more, the activity will be closed. You will come across many resorts and adventure sports agencies which will allow you to participate in this sport easily.
Okay, Jai Kali Mata ki! Okay, team forward, forward. Okay, stop the pedal, stop. Okay, get down, get down. Okay, look at the camera. Yeah.
The Dandeli River Rafting Trail stretches to a distance about 12 kilometers. One can prefer to go long rafting about 12 kilometers or short 3 to 4 kilometers. The price also varies depending on which you choose. Usually ranges from 900 to 2000 rupees.
Stop, stop. Okay, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal. Okay, stop. Okay, get back. Now get down here, Lela.
The rapids and meanders of Kali River have been classified into Grade 2 and Grade 3, which are ideal for professionals as well as beginners in their exhilarating water sport. All the participants are mostly taken to the starting points via jungle jeep and there they will be guided through the rest of the process involved.
Okay, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal. Okay, stop. Okay, stop the pedal. Get down. Okay, look at the camera. Get the camera ready. Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. Okay, forward.
The rafting starts at the Ganeshpuri and ends at the Moulangi Eco Park, about which I made a video. You can check on that video. The link is given in the description. Before we hit the water, we need to make sure we have all the necessary gear. We are given life jackets, helmets and are instructed on the proper technique of the rafting. The guide explains us different types of rapids and how we need to navigate through them. We are also taught about the various signals that we need to use to communicate with each other during the ride. At one point, our rafting guide told us he would do surfing for us, and everyone were puzzled. Surfing on the river? Keep watching as it is most thrilling part of the rafting.
Stop the pedal! Stop! Okay, get down! Get down! Get down! Okay, get back! Okay, are you enjoyed? Yeah, once alive, boy, Madi. Jai Kali Mata ki!
The waters were cold and it was calm at the starting point near Ganeshpuri. We start off with some easy rapids to get hang of the things, but it's not long before we encounter some more challenging ones. The thrill of rushing through the rapids is like no other. As we maneuver through the rapids, we can feel the adrenaline pumping through our veins.
Forward, 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 forward. Okay, stop, get down. Okay, get back, get back, get back, get back. Okay, forward. Okay, stop, get down, get down.
At one point of rapid point, the raft direction was reversed and we headed in the direction opposite to the flow of the river. There was a sweet spot where the downward force of river matched the upwards force of our rowing. The raft stood as it was at rest and all the water gushing through us. This was the most fun part and we did it almost 4 to 5 times.
Get back, get back, get back, get back. Get back. Okay, forward please, forward, forward. Okay.
Apart from the thrill of the ride, we are also surrounded by beautiful scenery, the lush green forest, the glistening river, and the chirping birds make the experience all the more enjoyable. There are also small waterfalls that we pass by, adding to the natural beauty of the place. As our rafting adventure comes to an end, we are left with a sense of exhilaration and satisfaction. The experience has been unforgettable and we can't wait to do it again. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope this video has inspired you to try river rafting in Dandeli for yourself. It's an adventure that you will never forget. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. More exciting content like this. Until next time, happy adventuring.